Okay, recording.
See?
Oh, look, something's coming.
Something's coming out. They seen a little paw with little nails. Push it, push it, push it again. They seen it come out almost that time. They seen it almost come out that time. Come on, push. No time for playing. Last time it came out a little bit more.
Camera's not on it.
Daddy's getting a friend this way. What did you do?
I took something from Mommy's store.
Well, that's very serious. What did you take? A candy bar?
No, it's not a candy bar.
Oh? Well, what is it?
$150 bottle of cognac? How could you take that, son?
My God, would you look at this thing? Can you imagine the man who spends $150 on a bottle of cognac? What do you think a guy like that pays for socks?
Louis, what am I going to do with you? This looks pretty good, Mom. Go get your jacket. We're going back to the store. You are going to return this bottle to Mr. Pinter, apologize, and accept the consequences. What do you mean, fired? You can't fire me for this.
All right, store policy is very clear about stealing.
But he didn't steal it. He returned it. It's right there. The bottle is perfect. You can just put it right back on the shelf.
I already marked it out of inventory. My hands are tied here.
What are you talking about? You don't even do inventory. You force it on me because you make so many mistakes.
You're not exactly making me regret my decision here, Lois.
Huh?
Oh, I know. This one's a hard one. I know. It's like stuck there. Oh, here we go. Keep pushing. You're doing it. You're doing it. It's a black and white one, Randy. It's a black and white one. Yes, look, it's right there. Push one more time. Push one more time. Hurry up.
Huh?
Push one more time. The head's stuck in there, you little shit.
Craig Larkin, the holidays are a great time to
Don't make me
reflect
pull
on
it
the
out.
community spirit we share.
No!
Don't fucking tell me no.
Listen, cats are different than fucking cows.
I did it for my dog, too. When my dog was fucking having
You have
trouble.
to take care of herself. Here it's coming.
And our viewers.
Its head stuck in there, Randy.
Oh, it's coming. I can just see her
Oh,
having another
there,
contraction.
pushing it out.
Yeah.
Push it,
Find out
push
where
it.
it all began for Global Pit TV shows to keep you on hair.
Take that down.
Embracing the King. Tonight at 9, 8 Central on Global.
Randy!
He doesn't want to see it.
They're doing kitty porn!
He hates this
It's
one.
time to get in and drive during Ford's year-end clearance. Come in for the best prices of the season on most 07 and 08. And now get 5% GST. Plus, purchase or lease a 2007 F-150 XTR Supercab Profile Force and get a $4,750 delivery allowance and a $1,250 e-bonus for a total Canadian delivery allowance of $6,000. Visit your Prairie Ford dealer today.
Are you left off on YouTube?